You've got only a couple of weeks left before your IAL Unit 1 biology exam. I want you to hear this clearly. You can still make a big difference to your grade if you get organized and follow this simple plan. The first thing you need to do is to prioritize the high yield topics. These are the topics that give you the best return to the time you put in. I'm mainly talking here about three things: cardiovascular disease, hemoglobin, and biological memories. These topics come again and again. Now, if you haven't yet studied biological molecules, you need to pause everything else and spend just a couple of days practicing them. Practice drawing molecules and memorizing the bonds. If you do already have good notes, then stick to those. At this stage, do not use the textbook. They contain far more details than the exam will ever require. And right now, that will only waste your time. Next is past papers. In total, you have around 20 exams available from 2019 to 2025. I've shared a past paper tracker to help you organize this. Start by solving past papers with open notes. This builds confidence and reinforces the content. Then move on to solving with flexible timing and mark the paper at the end. This is where you start developing real exam techniques. Finally, practice under strict time conditions so you learn how to pace yourself properly. Now, if you have other subjects to study and feel overwhelmed, then at the very minimum focus on papers from 2022 onwards. But be honest with yourself. Solving fewer exams and expecting a top grade isn't just realistic. Now, to push your grade even higher, don't ignore those easy marks. First are the definitions. There's a list of definitions I'll soon share with you in the coming few days. They come over and over again. The simple math questions also are important, like ratios and percentages. Drawing and labeling molecules and bonds correctly. These are marks many students throw away. You can't afford to lose them. And if you want to save time, I mean, literally cut your revision time in half, then check out my revision course, linked in the description of this video. I wish you all best of luck in your upcoming exams.